Welcome to the York Technical College Library's online orientation video. In this video, I'll show you how to access our online materials and begin your research for papers that you write in any class. To get to the library's website, you can simply Google York Tech Library, or go to www.yorktech.edu/library. Alternatively, there is a link under Resources in D2L. This is the library's website. Note that our hours and contact information are on the right-hand side. Feel free to stop by any time to use our computers, printer, Wi-Fi, books, DVDs, audiobooks, anatomy and physiology models, graphing calculators, newspapers, or course textbooks. There is usually a librarian on duty that can help with your research, and our friendly staff can assist you with the use of the library. If we don't have an item that you're looking for, we can order it through our interlibrary loan system called Pascal, or we can look into adding it to our permanent collection. This search box works just like Google. It searches all of our databases at once and gives you the broadest list of results. Simply enter one word, a phrase, or even a sentence and receive results. All of these results are appropriate and acceptable for any assignment on campus. This information is credible and reliable and is not available on the open internet. You can also use the date slider and the subject drop-down on the left-hand side to limit your results. The subject drop-down will return results that have to do with your keyword and are about the subject that you clicked. No need to click full text or scholarly because we already have it set up to return those results. If you see a result that you'd like to use, simply click either HTML full text or PDF full text. If you find information in the article that is helpful for your paper, you can get your MLA or APA citation by clicking the citation button on the right or along the top. Most of our databases are equipped with this feature. It usually looks like a little yellow piece of paper icon. You'll probably want the MLA citation. After that, it's just a matter of copying and pasting it into your Works Cited page. If you paste it in and it's highlighted gray like this, it's actually difficult to fix this, so what you want to do is undo what you just did. This only happens when you use the keyboard shortcut. To avoid this, simply right-click and use the Merge Formatting option instead. Then, you need to select everything and set it as Times New Roman, size 12, double-spaced, with a hanging indent. While you're in the box to double-space your paper, make sure that the spacing before and after is set to 0 points, not auto. Also, make sure that the italics stayed when you copied and pasted. Do not indent your citations like a regular paragraph. Rather, the first line must be all the way to the left, with lines within the citation indented a ½ inch. This is accomplished with the hanging indent drop-down that we saw in our paragraph settings dialog box earlier. If there happens to be a URL within your citation and it turns blue to become an active link, simply right-click it and click Remove Hyperlink, because we do not want it to be blue or underlined in your citation. This is the database that I would recommend for almost any topic. The exceptions are literature-related topics, controversial topics, and career-related topics. If you are in English 102, I recommend Literary Resource Center. If you are in English 101 or are writing your persuasive speech for public speaking, I recommend Opposing Viewpoints. Or, for career topics, the Occupational Outlook Handbook. To access these databases, simply return to the library's website and click Individual Databases. You can then choose the relevant database from the list. Here is Literature Resource Center. Here is Opposing Viewpoints, and here's the Occupational Outlook Handbook. We have many other databases that can be very useful. Mometrics is great if you need test preparation materials such as the GRE, TEAS, or the ASCP phlebotomy exam, and many more. If at any time you are using the library's databases and you're prompted to enter a library barcode, this number is simply 003996 followed by your student ID number. This will normally only happen if you are off campus. If you run into any trouble with your research, please feel free to call me at 803-981-7075 or email me at ekline, that's ECLINE, @yorktech.edu. I'm happy to help. Good luck!